Razakians, UROX is actually Uniraza online learning experience. UROX will be your partner throughout your studies with us here. UROX is actually most compatible with Google Chrome browser. So, if you are using mobile phone, laptop, PC, iPad or any tablet, kindly ensure that you have Google Chrome browser installed. This is the home page view for your course. As you scroll down, you will find some information regarding your courses. As this course is conducted 100% online, you will still have to meet your lecturers virtually through live sessions. To find out when, click on this tab, Meet Your Lecturer. You can see the available dates for your Google Meet live session. Don't forget to do this ice-breaking activity. This way, you'll get to know who you will be learning with. Click on the ice-breaking activity button to go straight to the page. And as you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you will find the course menu. Here, you can click on any of the icon to access different pages. When you scroll back up, on the left-hand side, there are a few tabs you can also click on. Let's click on the Syllabus tab. Here, you can view the course syllabus. Each topic outline will be available here so that you can plan your revision. There is also a study plan for the whole semester. In the next tab, you can see your course breakdown. Each subject has a different requirements every semester. There are subjects which are 100% continuous assessment and subjects which have final examination. In the modules tab is where you can access your learning materials. Every week, you will have a home page where you will find the targeted learning materials for that week. Your lecturers will upload a variety of materials such as notes, videos, reading materials for your learning. Make sure you visit this page as it will help you stay on track for your studies. If you have any concern, questions or issues regarding UROX, feel free to contact the UROX department through ATS. We are more than happy to assist you. Thank you.